What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $13 or more for short videos that you upload that are around 1 minute. This is a worldwide opportunity. This is free PayPal money we're talking about here. What you need to do is stay with me here, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you in today's video here on how you can earn $13 or even more by uploading short videos that are approximately around 1 minute. This is worldwide, as I said earlier here, and of course we're talking about free PayPal money. I'm going to share with you also a bonus site there so you can earn even more PayPal money there. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information here. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can earn $13 for every short video that we upload. Let's get started. Alright guys, so basically this is an app that we're going to have to download, but let's have a look at the site here for the details. So you can see here, I'm just going to read a little bit here. You can see real people, real lives in real time, market research meets technology. And you can see here that they do have customers like Unilever, Vodafone, L'Oreal, Pepsi, BBC, Bloomberg, Evening Standard, Independent, The Times and Wired. So they do have quite a good reputation, I would say. Very big customers, definitely. And if you have a look at it, this is actually for the companies that arrives to the site here. So this is how it works, is that these companies want to have some feedback, and it is really simple. They want you to upload a short video that you're going to record, for example, making a tea or something like that. We're going to have a look at the details later on here, but first bear with me because this is important that we have a look at the details first on the main site here so we understand what exactly this is about. So for a company, they want to ask, of course, the right questions and target the right people. So that is where you can come in, of course, okay? And you can see here that they get verified responses from you, informed decisions, real-time opinion polls there. You can see, for example, there is a poll here: should the UK leave the EU? So they might ask you questions and you can earn from that too. Do you have electricity at home? I mean, how hard is it to actually answer this kind of questions and get paid for it? All right. So basically what we are interested in here is becoming a bee. So if I click here on this section, this is how it looks when we arrive here. And you can see that they are raving here, and this is actually testimonials. So once again, you can see that complete cool tasks for brands like Unilever, Vodafone, L'Oreal, Pepsi, Ferrero, Innocent, big companies once again. How it works is like this. You pick one of the tasks there, you answering the questions, and you get paid in cash. Alright, so now tasks are easy, and you can see here for £10 you take a 1 minute video while you make a tea. Now if I go to Google and type £10, this is $13.06 approximately as I'm recording this video here. So you can see here, really easy. You just record for making a tea, for example, or say what you think of your mobile network. You can earn $5. You can see you can take a photo at your local shop, a local supermarket, and you earn money. This is available on both platforms, which is nice. So you can see here real quick, for example, £5 for making coffee in the home there. So by just taking a photo, you can see take photo of the equipment you use to make, boom, and you have earned £5. Let's see how much £5 is actually in US dollars here. So that is $6.53. I mean, you saw how fast you could earn that kind of money, all right? So look at this, there are 25,423 stories available worldwide this month. 150,658 questions answered this week. Photos uploaded today, 2,345. So I would say that this is a pretty popular site, definitely pretty active, I would say also. So basically you can hit the join now, but first, before we do that, let's have a look at another opportunity here that I wanted to share with you. You see the ambassador section here. So if you go to the ambassadors, you can become a StreetBiz ambassador. What you're going to do is you're going to get paid to help them expand in your country. So I think that this is a great opportunity because it is available today in 87 countries here, but if it is not available, then you might have a good chance to be the first one and of course earn more money with this. All right. So you can see here available in 87 countries. They do have around 2,462 ambassadors. Plus 500, 500,000 tasks there. All right, StreetBiz pays you for sharing your insights about your products and services you use every day. So now it's your turn to join and to be a StreetBiz ambassador. All right, so can I be an ambassador if you're socially connected and are able to influence people? If you are a whiz with WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram, you're studying or working and you have a spare 2 to 3 hours a week, definitely yes. Now, what do an ambassador do then? All right, so it's simple. You spread the word about StreetBiz through referring friends and family to participate in missions. So there is a referral program here, and for every time you refer someone, you earn a commission. All right, if you want to learn even more, you can help with on-demand tasks such as running social media campaigns in your country there as well. So that is another opportunity, which means that you can earn even more money here. What's in it for me? Pretty simple and straightforward. You get, of course, paid every single time you refer a friend or you complete a task, of course, there. You also gain experience. You work with a fast-growing tech startup in London, so they are based in London here. And you join an exclusive community of ambassadors, okay? Benefit from training, a global network. You get to learn new friends, of course, there as well. So here are some of the ambassadors there. You can see these are some testimonials on how much they made and so on. Basically, I think that you should apply here no matter what country you are in. It doesn't matter because, as I said, if they are interested in your country there, then you can have a good chance to earn even more money if it's not available right now. All right, so don't limit yourself here. You might have a great chance to earn more money and with StreetBiz here. Okay, so basically there you have it. I think that all you have to do is apply for both an ambassador and of course the original one. But if you go here and apply, I think it's pretty much the same. So get started with applying here, if I remember right. So you will see that. Otherwise you can go to the join now section where we were at the beginning here. You can just go here to join now. And you can see here you find the application there. All right, so I think that we can have a look at it also, a quick look here on Google Play. StreetBiz is transforming the way. I think they more or less tells us the same that we had a look at earlier here. You download the app, you create an account and you become a bee. You take a look at the stories available for you. If it's not, you have to wait until there is something available. You complete a short story takes between 2 to 5 minutes, so it might be longer, of course, also some surveys that you're going to take there. Has a good reputation, you can see 4.2 here as well. So either if you are on a desktop or you can go straight to Google Play or iOS, just search for StreetBiz, download and get started with it. Alright, let me share another opportunity here to earn some more extra money, more PayPal money, of course, if you want to. And but if you're not interested in PayPal money, you can actually do Bitcoin. You can accept Bitcoin or, of course, also some gift cards that is available. But I think we all prefer PayPal cash here. There is feature points anyway, and you can earn money by sharing your own custom video. You can actually, you download it on your phone. There's also available here on the smartphone. So You get a referral program here. You can earn 50% of your friends' points. There is surveys that you can take. There is the offer vaults, tons of offers that you can earn money with. If I just click here for one. So it might take some time here to download. Alright, someone ate all the surveys right now, so this was not available here on Peanut Labs, but you have to scroll through and see what is available. And of course you also get paid by watching videos, so how cool is that? So that is Feature Points. Also have a look at it to earn some extra money online. Now, you won't get rich with no matter if you are on Feature Points or on StreetBiz. They don't have offers to send you every single day there. So it is a great way to earn extra money online, but if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you get some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.